Europeans' lighter skin color is largely due to the presence of a genetic mutation known as golden. However, Africans and East Asians have a different mutation on the gene where Europeans carry golden. East Asians, who are also light-skinned, do not carry this mutation, so they must have a different mutation that causes their lighter color. It turns out that this missing link is also potentially relevant to the most deadly human skin cancer, melanoma. Melanoma develops when UV light penetrates through your melanosomes, also known as your pigments, and damages the DNA underneath. Africans, who are dark-skinned, have the densest melanosomes, which protects them from melanoma. Europeans, who are light-skinned, have the sparsest melanosomes, giving them a 10 to 20-fold higher risk of developing melanoma. East Asians, who are also light-skinned and have sparsely populated melanosomes, would seem to be prime candidates for melanoma. However, surprisingly, they share almost the same rate of incidence as Africans. We hypothesize that the genes that cause East Asians to have lighter skin also protect them from melanoma. Thus, finding the primary mutations that cause their lighter color will give us vital clues toward understanding melanoma susceptibility. To find these mutations, we need to collect samples from populations of mixed African and East Asian ancestry, where skin color can be correlated with genetic samples. These populations will be lighter skinned than West Africans, but darker than East Asians, and only the lightest individuals will carry the primary mutations. Using this specific ancestry, without the presence of European mutations that would confound the findings, will allow us to identify the East Asian skin lightening mutations.
We have identified two populations that fit a specific criteria, the Orang Asli of the Peninsula Malaysia and the Kalinago of the Commonwealth of Dominica. Since 2009, I've collected 565 Orang Asli samples. With the Orang Asli sampling complete, we must collect the remaining samples from the Kalinago. These remaining samples will verify that we have identified the correct genes responsible for the lighter color in East Asians, which may also give us vital clues towards understanding melanoma susceptibility.
This is where your support comes in. You can help to fund our upcoming sampling in Dominica. Your donation will cover a variety of necessary expenses, such as accommodation, air travel, car rental, food, gasoline, and compensation for field nurses. Your contribution will be tax deductible because our lab is part of the Jake Gitlin Cancer Research Foundation and supported by the Jake Gitlin Memorial Golf Tournament.